Alright, what we have here today is a new Cobra 29 LX. I bought this radio new. What I've done to it, it is peaked and tuned. I've also added a modulation swing kit. I've done the modulation for the talkback, so it works very well. I've also aligned the receive and the transmit. Radio is a nice radio. If you want to add a linear, it's tuned for it. Just plug it in. Radio swings around 20 watts. Nice radio. Works as it should. Audio. Audio. Check. 1, 2. Hello. Audio. Audio works very well. Kind of quiet out there. It's early Saturday morning. It's a little quiet out there, but making an awesome mobile unit. Is what it is. What you see is what you will receive.